Here's the 1 minute version of how to do probably my favorite meal, camp tacos. I like to use olive oil, and we want to get it good and hot. While that's cooking up, we're going to mix our meat with some onions at least. If you've got a jalapeno, it's good to throw that in there too. You see, we put a patty of meat on one side, and now the trick is all in the technique. You want to basically put this taco down into the pan and fold it over so the meat side is on top, and that'll hold it shut. Do that with all your tacos. Make sure that grease gets down in there and cooks all that meat. Takes a couple minutes aside. You might have to go back and forth a time or two. I like to put the cheese next to the meat, and then we're going to stuff them with lettuce and tomatoes, and probably add a little decadence with maybe some sour cream, and of course we got to have a little salsa on top too. That's the 1 minute version. Go camping.